Hey you guys, I am super excited to hop on and highlight this adjustable desk that I got sent. This thing is awesome. It's white, so it matches pretty much anywhere you'd want to put it. And it is just cute and simple. So it's definitely large enough for like a laptop. You could even fit 2 laptops. You could fit a pile of papers. It's large enough, but it's not oversized. So this is great if you're trying to fit it in like a smaller area, but still have a functional desk. Now this thing is super cute and super fun for a couple of different reasons. So I love it, because like I mentioned here, it's adjustable. So we can move these right here to let this go and drop lower if you're trying to sit, or go a little bit higher as well. So we've got options as far as our height on the desk goes. And like I said, we would just adjust these on both sides and adjust these, and we could drop these bars down and have it go lower. So adjustable height is totally awesome. I love that. Next, it has rolling wheels that lock or unlock. So you can just wheel this wherever you want to go with it, which is a super, super awesome feature. It also has the little cord section right here, so you can fit your cords through, like to charge your laptops, things like that, without having them dangling all over the desk. I actually love that feature. I think it's super nice. Just a nice white tabletop. Like I said, super quick and easy setup. I like it because if you want to do standing work, you can, or like I mentioned, you can drop it down and you could also sit at this. So super multifunctional, really cute, really easy setup, but really gets the job done. So I highly recommend hopping on and checking out this adjustable height desk.